Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an identity theft protection plan with Experian, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Experian website. Locate the section dedicated to identity theft protection. Look for options that detail their services or plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the relevant link to start the sign-up process. Provide your personal information as required. This may include your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Create an account by setting up a username and password. Once your account is created, navigate to the Identity Theft Protection section. Review the features included in your chosen plan. This may include credit monitoring, identity theft insurance, and alerts. Select any additional features you might want to include. Proceed to the Payments section to enter your billing information. Confirm that all your details are correct before submitting. After completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow any instructions provided in the email to activate your service. Log into your Experian account to access your identity theft protection tools. Set up security alerts to monitor your accounts regularly. Check the resources available for educating yourself about identity theft. Regularly review your credit report for any unusual activity. Update your plan as needed to ensure comprehensive coverage. Feel secure knowing you have taken proactive steps to protect your identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.